Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not up to date. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working properly. A poor connection often prevents updates from downloading, so verify your Wi-Fi or wired connection. Next, simply restarting your computer or mobile device can resolve many minor software glitches. After a quick restart, try launching Roblox again. Sometimes this simple step clears temporary issues, allowing the update to proceed smoothly. If restarting does not work, you can try manually checking for updates through your operating system's app store or the Roblox website directly. If the issue persists, a complete reinstallation might be necessary. First, uninstall Roblox from your device, then download the latest version from the official Roblox site. Remember to back up any custom content or saved game files before uninstalling, although most Roblox data is server-side. This ensures you start with a fresh, updated installation. Outdated or corrupted cache files can often prevent Roblox from updating correctly. You can clear the Roblox cache by navigating to your app data folder and deleting its contents. Additionally, delete any temporary internet files on your computer. These files can accumulate and interfere with program operations, so regularly clearing them can improve performance and update success. Freeing up several hundred megabytes of space ensures there is ample room for new updates. Sometimes, your computer's firewall or antivirus software might mistakenly block Roblox updates. Check your firewall settings to ensure Roblox is allowed through. You may need to temporarily disable it for a few minutes to test. Similarly, review your antivirus program and see if it has flagged any Roblox files. If so, add Roblox to your trusted applications or exceptions list. This step can prevent security software from interfering with essential downloads and installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.